Hi, this is Mitchell and welcome to another video in the RSP education series. Today we're going to break down 4 types of wire that are super common in industrial and electrical installations. We're going to cover today cable tray wire, MTW wire, TFFN wire, and THHN wire. Now I know these acronyms can sound a lot like alphabet soup, but I promise we're going to make it simple. Not only will we explain what each of these wires is for, but we'll also talk about why you'd pick one over the other. These videos, remember, are for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified professional for guidance on your specific application, because RSP Supply is not liable for misuse of the information provided. With that said, let's get right into it. All right, let's start with cable tray wire, also called TC or tray cable. If you've ever worked in industrial settings, you've probably seen these wires running real neatly in cable trays. What makes this wire special though? Well, it's built tough. It usually has copper or aluminum conductors with insulation that can handle moisture, chemicals, and abrasion. Some types are even sunlight resistant, which makes them perfect for outdoor use. So why would you use cable tray wire over another wire? Well, if you're working on a project with long runs of cable in trays, like in factories, wastewater plants, refineries, that's where we do most of our business, this wire keeps things organized and can save you money by eliminating the need for expensive conduit to be ran. Next up, MTW wire, which stands for machine tool wire. This stuff, as you can see, is all about flexibility. MTW wire is made with finely stranded copper conductors and a PVC insulation. What does that mean for you? It means this wire can bend and move without breaking a sweat. So where do you use it? MTW is perfect for machinery, control panels, robotics. If you got equipment with moving parts or areas exposed to oil and lubricants, this wire's flexibility makes it a winner, okay? Now, next up, TFFN wire. It stands for thermoplastic flexible fixture nylon. That's a mouthful, right? But it's actually pretty simple. TFFN wire has a stranded copper conductor with PVC insulation and a nylon coating. The nylon makes it resistant to gasoline, oil, wear and tear, but here's the catch. It's not typically rated for wet environments, so it's best used in dry locations like fixtures, control circuits, or tight conduit runs where space is limited. If you need something lightweight, flexible, and oil resistant for a lighter duty job, TFFN is your go-to. Finally, last on the chopping block, we got that THHN wire, thermoplastic high heat resistant nylon coated wire. Holy smokes. Now this one is a true all-rounder and probably the most versatile wire you'll come across. THHN wire can handle up to 600 volts and works in both dry and wet environments. We're talking 90 degrees Celsius dry, 75 degrees Celsius wet. Plus, it's got a very durable nylon jacket that protects it from abrasion and from moisture. So why would you choose THHN? Well, if you need a tough, reliable wire for general purpose wiring, whether it's indoors, outdoors, or even underground in conduit, THHN is your best bet for durability. So here's a big takeaway, folks. Each wire has its own strengths. Cable tray wire for organized, heavy-duty tray installations. The MTW wire for flexibility in machinery and automation. TFFN wire for lighter duty, dry environments where space is tight. THHN wire when you need an all-purpose, durable wire for just about any job. Pick the right wire for your project and you'll save time, money, and headaches down the road. And that wraps it up. For a full line of wires and thousands of industrial products, please go to our website. If you like this content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, for more information and other educational videos, please go to rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.